Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we'll show you how to export Chrome bookmarks. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Step 2. From the menu, select Bookmarks and then click on Bookmark Manager. Step 3. In the Bookmark Manager tab, click on the three-dot menu icon again. Step 4. From the menu, choose Export Bookmarks. Step 5. Select a location on your computer where you want to save the exported bookmarks file and click Save. Step 6. The bookmarks will be saved and you can now access and import these bookmarks into another browser or restore them in Chrome if needed. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.